I'm going to explain the evidence-based benefits of slugging because people are afraid of using the most effective skincare products to date, and it's preventing them from having the best skin of their lives. While also demonstrating how to slug correctly. First, you should know that petroleum jelly doesn't just sit on the surface of the skin and prevent water from leaving. It does do that, but it also changes the skin itself. For example, slugging changes the expression pattern of your skin to make more of a protein called filaggrin, which acts as a waterproof glue, improving your moisture barrier. The improved barrier also prevents allergens and irritants from getting in, reducing your skin's sensitivity long-term even after you wash it off in the morning. And petroleum jelly has been shown to penetrate deep into the skin to have lasting effects and improve the absorption of some active ingredients. It definitely does more than just sit on the surface of the skin. Not only does slugging not cause acne, but it's been shown to reduce inflammatory acne significantly. And this makes sense because slugging reduces inflammatory cytokines and increases bacteria-fighting antimicrobial peptides. Sub for a video about how greasiness does not cause acne and where this myth might have come from. However, there are some anecdotes and clinical experiences suggesting that slugging can worsen milia, the little protein pearls that some adults can get, usually around their eyes. And I've had a few milia in my adult life, but none since starting slugging, and I can't find any scientific evidence supporting this connection. Even so, if you're prone to milia, then proceed with caution, but for most people, there's no concern. And of all the things that touch our skin, petroleum jelly is one of the most hypoallergenic. In a study that applied various things to 600 people's skin, only petroleum jelly caused no allergic reactions. Compare that to the fragrance mix, which caused a reaction in 14.2% of the participants. I think a lot of the people who've had a bad reaction to a petrolatum-based product probably reacted to something else in the formula, and petrolatum took the blame. Because don't let the fearmongers fool you, petrolatum is as safe for sensitive and acne-prone skin as it gets. And slugging doesn't have to be crazy. Just apply a nice even layer over your face in the evening like you see me doing now, and even this was more than I needed. And the benefits are insane for something so gentle. The studies generally use around a pea-sized amount. Those mountains of goo probably won't hurt, but it's a waste and a mess. Scientific sources are posted at avivacarter.com. I'm Aviva Carter. I slug every night, and you should too. Now I de-slugged. Get in the ear.